I know without a shadow of doubt that you were made for more. You are made to make an impact on the world. And guys, I know that for me, I've been able to make a bigger impact because of Tribe. And we have bonuses for you if you sign up with Tribe. I want you to experience the same ability to create a program, to sell, to build a business from the experience, the knowledge you have in your head, and crafting that into a membership. This guy right here helped me. We've created bonuses to help you because he's going to teach you how to build a membership. What I'm going to do is give you some tools to help you get there faster. I want you to have an instant membership. I don't want you to worry about the tech. We're going to give you a system to get your payment processors up, getting payments, getting people in within 15, 20 minutes. We're going to give you the tools, the framework to get there. Set up the tech in 15, 20 minutes. We're going to give you a mega pack of posts. Posts that you can post for the first 90 days. So you don't need to worry about growing your Facebook page, growing your audience. You can focus on Tribe because your audience is going to grow without you working on it. We're going to give you our sales pages. You can literally copy our sales page, copy the template, put your own words in, and now you have the ability to earn money from your membership faster. We're also going to give you our launch calendar. That tells you the exact timing that we've used to get our products out there. This is the launch calendar, guys, that has helped us earn 7 figures a year, multiple 7 figures some years. With this launch calendar right here, we're going to give it to you as our bonus because we want you to get results faster. We know that you're made for more. We know that a membership helps people have recurring, stable income from their homes, with their kids, from just knowledge in their heads as they make an impact on others. We know that you were made for this, and we want you to get results faster. So we created a bonus pack for you. Click below, guys, if you'd like to learn more.